Alright Warriors, we just sent everybody home. We're getting a blizzard. As I'm walking around the school right now, the first snowflakes are starting to fall. We're in line for like a foot or more snow. So how are you guys gonna enjoy this time? I remember big snows. The last one was in 2010. We were piled up. What are you guys gonna do for fun? Let's find out.
On the snow?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go make bread. I'm gonna go shovel and make bread. What you mean?
What are you guys gonna do in the snow?
Watch TV.
Watch movies, drink some hot chocolate.
Build a snowman.
I'm gonna need to share a tab
Nothing.
with one of you guys while
Colin
I'm
doesn't like having fun.
Colin will
Colin,
melt
he
the
doesn't
snow.
have fun.
No fun?
Shut up.
What are you gonna do in the snow?
You know, I'm gonna still hoop outside the snow because ball is life and the grind never stops.
I'm gonna sleep and drink
In the
hot
snow.
chocolate.
Physically
Yeah.
in the snow.
Physically in the snow. I will build a snow bed.
Alright, so short vlog this week. Be safe out there in the blizzard. Help people shovel. Build a snowman. Figure something out. Be safe. Be smart. See you guys. Alright, one more quick thing before we go. Share with us what you did over the blizzard. If you did something neat, you took a video, took a picture, tweet it at us at HCG Warriors. We'll share it with the community. Maybe you'll make the blog next week. See ya.